Hey everybody, it's GeoDroid John again, and I'm back with the FL Sun QQ 3D printer that I'm breaking down from scratch and rebuilding in a very clean condition. The previous owner used a lot of grease and stuff on it, so what I'm going to show you is how to clean each one of these things with just a few household products to make sure your 3D printers are sanitized when you buy them secondhand, and how to make sure they're perfect. So what I'm going to be using today is some Goog, which is going to help with some of the sticker adhesive that I noticed on the machine, and some disinfectant wipes to get rid of some of the odors that I noticed on the machine. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is use some of the Goog here to get rid of any stuff on the outside. I noticed that there's some stickers, some adhesive, and just to give it a general new clean start. I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to come back and wipe that down. Okay, so it's been a few minutes, so now I'm going to go back through. I'm just going to wipe everything down really, really good. Try to get as much of that adhesive off as I can see. And I might even go back and paint this some different colors to make it fully customized for myself. So you want to get there as good as you can. If you need to, go ahead and grab a scratch pad and go ahead and go over those areas again really well. Make sure that you get all that adhesive off. Now this is the one that actually had duct tape on it, so this is why I left this one for last, and you can see how it just pulls away once you leave that on for a few minutes. And for the final step, I'm just going to wipe it down with a sanitizing wipe just to make sure that I get all the solvent off there and it doesn't smell like machine oil and solvent when I go to actually use it. Okay, so I've rinsed these off with some warm water to kind of get all the grease off. Now I'll just dry these off. And look at that. See how clean that looks now compared to before? Man, this printer is really going to come together. I look forward to seeing how it gets assembled looks once it's done. And that's it, guys. Just a three-step process of spraying it down with adhesive cleaner, scrubbing it down, and then removing that adhesive cleaner, and then wiping it down with some Lysol wipes. So once this dries, it'll be perfectly clean. It'll look like a brand new 3D printer. I highly encourage you guys, if you ever buy a printer used, you go ahead and you take it all apart and reassemble it so you understand how it works. So this is how it looks once it's all done. Stay tuned for more parts of this series as I rebuild the 3D printer with you and look for more tips and tricks. Thanks, guys. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it if you don't. Leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks.